and probably if you know that one of your fans named Richard Lee, it exists in this world.
Yeah, well, there you go. It's great to hear. You've got great taste.
No, thank you.
Fantastic.
Can you say bahasa?
Do I know any? No.
No.
Would you like to teach me? What's the best thing I need to know?
I love you. I love you.
Say again.
Saya suka kamu.
Thank you.
Saya suka kamu.
We got it here.
Pakai skincare Dr. Richard.
Every
Good pronunciation, right?
Saya nggak tahu hari ini saya mimpi apa, tapi hari ini bisa melihat mereka langsung, padahal saya ngefans dari SMA. Finally, one of my biggest dream came true. I'm going to interview my favorite band ever. This is A1.
Hey!
Thank you.
Can you say hi to Indonesian people and maybe you can introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Ben.
Apa kabar? I'm Mark.
Wow.
Hey, I'm Christian.
And I'm Paul from A1. Very lovely to be here.
Yeah, it's really good to see you all, and it's great being here with you. And thank you for inviting us and sharing your very special birthday.
Thank you very much. But you know, you are always be my favorite band since I'm high school, and I like your every song.
Oh, great!
Every song.
Every song.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Okay.
I almost memorize all your songs.
Great. Well,
And it's such an honor for me to meet you in person here and have this interview. And probably, if you know that one of your fans named Richard Lee, it exists in this world.
yeah, well, there you go. It's great to hear. You've got great taste.
No, thank you.
Fantastic.
Okay, I want to interview something, okay?
Sure. Okay. Sure.
So what are you doing, guys, now? You have any solo project or now is focusing on A1 as a group?
Good question.
Yeah, well, I mean, we all have various different things going on, but the most exciting news is that we're finally working on a new A1 album.
Oh yeah.
So yeah. So we've been working on it for some time because we all have like, you know, we live in different countries and we have kids and stuff like that. But like now we've got all focus on the new album. So hopefully by 2026 it will be available.
Let's not say hopefully. Let's say it will. Like you hear these stories about people like the Beach Boys and Brian Wilson taking 10 years to make an album, and you always think, oh, that could never happen. But we've actually been spending how long? Nearly 8 years on this album.
To be fair, there was COVID.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
We did have a period of time where we
that was a bit of a difficult time. That put a bit of a monkey wrench in everything.
It really did.
Because us living in different countries, obviously.
You live in different countries.
Yes.
Yeah, Ben and I live in Norway.
I live in Indonesia now. Just
Get that quiet.
Yeah, no, we live in Norway and these guys live in the UK.
Okay.
So we have to fly to meet and it's always a bit of a...
Even Paul and myself, we live the furthest part.
We live 7 hours away.
So it's actually quicker for us to get to Norway than it is to visit each other. So Paul's right up in the northeast and I'm right down on the south coast.
Okay. So what are you doing, guys, in solo if you don't group together?
Well, individually, we work as songwriters, producers. So we do a lot of different music projects individually, and some other things as well. You know, I do some voiceover work. Christian does a lot of cartoon voices in Norway in a lot of movies.
I'm the Norwegian for a couple of Disney movies. I'm the Flynn Rider of Norway.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Entangled Universe, and I'm in Brother Bear. I'm Phil Collins in Norwegian. So it's fun like that.
Yeah, so lots of different things. But I mean, what's great at the moment is we actually have an amount of time now that we can really focus on the band. Okay. So I think 2026 is going to be a very exciting year for A1 because we're all going to be very much focusing on getting that album.
And for you.
Yeah.
Four of us.
Oh.
We've all written the songs. At the moment, we have, I think it's like 18 songs now.
Oh, yeah?
18. So we don't know whether to just do...
18?
18 songs.
18.
Yeah, nearly 20. So we don't know whether to do one big album or to split it into 2 albums. We don't know, but it's a lot of songs.
I will invite you again to Indonesia.
Okay.
Perfect. Welcome.
So you're a pop UK boy band at 2 different eras, I think, at late 19 and now. What is the difference between 19 and maybe with now?
Good question.
Obviously, there's no CD sales anymore. when we started out, we actually had cassettes.
Yep.
We released the first 2 albums on cassettes, so that's.
But you know they've
limited
come
edition.
back, right?
They've come back.
Cassettes.
It's like a novelty thing now, though, isn't it? Yeah.
No, but it changed. The whole music scene has changed because of streaming, and to us, it's still impressive for us to see that on Spotify we have like 700,000 monthly streamers of stuff that was released before Spotify existed or any of these streaming services existed. So old songs. Even my dad has a few million streams of some of his songs that he released in the 60s and 70s. Obviously, there was no streaming back then. So the good thing about the new era of the music industry is that people can rediscover old songs like we see out here, and a lot of our old songs are being rediscovered by younger audiences. So we're always... Like we just did a tour of the Philippines earlier this year, and we see quite young fans come to our concerts. Like they weren't born when we released these songs.
Yeah?
Or maybe they just look really young.
They maybe just look very young out here. Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Yeah, you look very young. I mean, we can't believe that you're
40, by the way.
Yeah, you're looking good. Looking good. No, so the good thing is obviously music is available immediately on the other side of the planet, everywhere. Whilst before, back in the day, you were reliant upon a distribution system. Someone had to actually buy a certain amount of CDs, and truck drivers had to drive them out to stores and stock them in shelves. And so it was harder to get the music out there. Now everyone can do it. So the bad news is, because everyone can do it, everyone does it. And you get like 100,000 new songs a day.
More harder.
Or more. So it's harder to cut through the noise. But we're optimistic and we're positive. We just want to release great music into the world. And then people with great taste, such as yourself, will pick it up eventually.
Thank you for that. Ben, I want to know that how does it feel to be a superstar in UK? Is it everyone will screaming at you at the street?
I literally can't go anywhere. Like people just try and get anything, a piece of my clothing, anywhere I go. It's like Justin Bieber fever. No, I'm joking. I mean, it's
Justin Bieber.
It's Bieber. Justin Bieber fever. I don't know what I'm saying. It came out wrong.
Fever.
Yeah, fever. But no, it's quite interesting because we are different levels of success in many different countries. So we can go to places like Southeast Asia and, people will recognise us everywhere. Or we can go to somewhere that, we weren't as big and we can just walk around like normal people. So it's quite interesting to be able to go to different countries and experience different levels of superstardom or star, or whatever it is that you just said. But so there are, there are plenty of places on the earth that we can go and have some relaxation, and there are lots of great places that we can go and be the A1 band that we are.
But even then, when you experience that at such a young age, because when we first started out, we were all very young, like 16, 19, 21, that kind of age, and between 16 and 23. So we experienced the craziness, the fan mania, where you can't go into a shop without lots of people coming over to you at a very young age. So it's a lot nicer now for things to be a bit relaxed. I think it's nice that we experienced that, so we kind of know what it's like. But I actually prefer it this way now, when we can still have some, you can walk down the street without somebody shouting something out.
Okay.
But back in
Justin Bieber.
Yeah. back in like 2000 or around that time, I couldn't go for a walk without somebody shouting something out
Justin
the car.
Bieber.
So just that. So I think this is nice to just sort of step back into it, but also step out of it as well. And still appreciate a normal life.
Okay. Can you tell me how you first met and make A1 as a group?
Well, I was actually in A1 before everyone because I went to an audition.
You were the first one?
Yeah. So I auditioned. I actually went to an audition where thousands of people went and they chose me to be in the band.
Oh, audition?
Yeah, I went to an audition, yeah.
Okay.
Which was just a magazine called The Stage Magazine, because there wasn't really an internet when but there was the very beginnings of the internet, but no one used it then. So I had to go, I looked in a newspaper, my auntie sent it to me, I lived in Spain. I went to the audition and I was in the audition, and then we managed to find Christian in Lipa, the Paul McCartney Fame School, and he came and auditioned for us, and he was amazing. And then I think that they must have sent something out to find you guys. I don't really know how they found you guys.
Not exactly. I didn't I know that obviously you were found through...
Oh, no, they went to see your brother.
They were looking around at like music colleges and universities, which is where they found Christian. With me and Ben, it was a little bit more chance, luck and chance, really, because I just happened to be in the right place at the right time and meet the guy that was putting together the band. But that night, I had no idea that I was meeting somebody that would sort of change the trajectory of our lives. I had no idea. I just thought I was meeting a guy that was watching a band. So I was in the audience watching a band, and this guy said, "Do you sing?" I said, "Yeah, I do." He said, "Here's my card. Come and have a meeting." So I had a meeting with him, and he said, and at the time, he actually said, "Do you know anybody else that might be good for this band?" I said, "Yeah, I do actually. I've got this friend called Ben who I was in a band project in that we were kind of working together." And then I introduced Ben to Tim, our manager, fell in love with Ben, and that was the sort of history.
And then eventually he was joining the band as well.
Oh,
yeah. It was not just the love.
No, it was not just love.
No, that was love. Yeah.
But look, Rich is asking us, do you remember when we first met?
Oh, well, when we first met, there wasn't 4 of us. There was five of us.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
There were 5 guys.
Maybe
Just remember.
there was number 5 me.
It could have been.
Yeah.
Today you
It could
are.
have been. Today, definitely you are the 5th member.
Because your song is very perfect. Maybe if you want me, your song is balanced.
Yeah, maybe. Which song would you sing as an audition piece? Would you sing Like a Rose, maybe? Or
Forever in Love.
Forever in Love?
There you go. There's your bit.
Love leads to laughter, love leads to pain. With you by my side, I feel good. Oh, he's got shy. But you're not supposed to be shy in auditions. This is like the X Factor panel.
I love it because it's just a cappella. It's very nice song.
Yeah.
I want to know that your song is very, very good. Very romantic, very nice. In Indonesia, we call it bucin and gombal.
Gombal.
Gombal. Gombal is pursuing for a girl. Very, very romantic. I want
And what
to,
was the first word? Mucil?
Huh?
What did you say?
Bucin.
Bucin.
Bucin
and gombal.
Bucin in Indonesia, budak cinta. Slave for love.
Slave for love.
Okay. Don't know where we were going there. It's good, yeah.
we weren't actually writing about that at the time, but oh my gosh.
Be honest, off stage, are you truly a romantic man or just good at writing love songs?
That's a good question. Very good question. We'll hand it over to the romantic.
Okay, I'll say this. No, it's not me, it's Christian.
I think we all have a bit of... I think the first songs that we wrote, the songs from the end of the 90s, they were based on real romantic feelings and emotions.
There were,
we were
fantasies of romance, weren't there? Because none of us had really long-term girlfriends.
Very naive as well. I mean, I sometimes look back at some of our earliest lyrics and try to find the sort of hidden, profound meaning in them, but there isn't any.
Well, there's songs like Every Time, for example. Oh, sorry, losing our... Well, anyway,
Don't worry.
So that lyric came from me thinking about a girl back home in Norway that I was in love with. Every time I tried to kiss a new girl, I thought in my head, I think of her. So every time I kiss, I feel your lips. So like that's an example of, we actually wrote songs about stuff that happened to us or things that we were thinking about or feeling. I think as you're a professional songwriter for so many years, you start thinking about it a little bit differently, and you're able to kind of look at situations and try to imagine, different characters and how they feel and how they fall in love or not, or fall out of love, and you're trying to look for interesting and new perspectives and write about that. But you always bring, obviously, a part of yourself in whenever you write a song, and I think. Well, for me, I am very romantic.
Wow.
Yes, but I don't know. Are you romantic?
I'm not. I don't have an ounce of romance in me.
Oh, yeah?
No, me and my
You're
wife...
not a romantic guy.
No, me and my wife have been together for like 16 years now, and we are the most unromantic couple. We forget our anniversaries. We're not very tactile, like in public and stuff like that. Like I don't have that romance. I find it a bit cringy. It makes me like no. Let's just be normal. That's how I feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about you, Mark?
A bit of a hopeless romantic and, very optimistic and delusional about love. But
He's the only one is single, right?
Well, I'm the only one who isn't married. And I'm the only one that's managed to avoid the responsibility of having kids. And I think that's why I don't look as tired.
Oh, right.
But having kids, that's love on a different level to me.
Yeah.
Like, because after having kids.
That's also the end of romance.
That's the nail in the coffin of romance.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
How about you, Paul? Are you a romantic guy?
I am actually romantic, but my wife isn't. So when I try and pull some moves, she's just like, just get on with it, please. You've got to pick the kids up in 25 minutes.
So, this is your 4th time go to Indonesia, I think.
At least, yes.
I think we've been more, but yeah, 4. We'll go with 4.
How does you feel in Indonesia? You love Indonesia. What is your favorite food in Indonesia?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng, okay.
I had
very
one last
nice.
night.
Nice.
It was absolutely lovely. With sauteed chicken and extra chilies.
Was it hot? Was it spicy?
Well, I asked for extra spicy, so they put loads and loads of red chilies in, and there was a green chili on the side. Oh my!
Spicy food here is amazing.
Lovely.
Spicy food is amazing.
But I mean, I'm very vegetarian, but the best vegetarian food is here in Indonesia because tempeh. I love tempeh, and they do tempeh. Of course, I get it wrong. Tempeh. They prepare it here better than anywhere else in the world, so it's very good.
How about you, Christian?
Well, I love the cakes. Yesterday, I can't remember what it was called. There was one cake.
Like the steamed cakes.
Yeah, it's like a round. It almost looked like an apple tart, but it wasn't. It was like
just bread and butter.
It had chocolate in it and nuts on top of it. I don't know the name of it.
Because this morning there was a steamer, and I lifted the lid and there was cakes in there. What are they called? With the steam.
Steamed cakes.
No, they were sweet.
Steamer. Bakpao. Dim sum, yeah. I don't know.
Okay, none of you are right.
It was just steamed buns.
Chocolate and nuts.
Yeah. But steamed.
Martabak,
Crispy edge.
Yes.
yeah, martabak.
There you go.
We call it martabak.
Martabak, yes.
Yeah, martaba. I didn't try it.
That's
but it
very
looked
good.
delicious.
Because we haven't been here too often, we still haven't had the opportunity to kind of really experience the food as much as we'd like to. A lot of the times, like this particular trip, we're here for one day and then we're back home. So we don't, and we're staying in a hotel as well. And so I think we need somebody that has experience of the best food in Indonesia to sort of, to actually take us to a restaurant.
You must stay long in Indonesia.
Yep. Well, we've got time today if you can give us some of the best
Tomorrow,
food.
we need to go out for lunch tomorrow somewhere.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
You can show us where to go.
All of you still here in Indonesia?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, how about you, Ben?
I don't know. I just look at the buffet and I'm like, I've never seen that before. Let's try that. Because there's so many, some of it looks a bit scary, if I'm honest. Like I look at there's lots of things in jars and stuff. So we'll just go around and pick a little bit of everything. But I have no idea what I'm eating. Then I don't look at the names. I'm just like, well, let's try that. And some of it's great and some of it's not. And that's how it is.
Okay. Can you say bahasa?
Do I know any? No.
No.
Would you like to teach me? What's the best thing I need to know?
Saya suka kamu.
Ooh,
I love you. I love you.
Say it again.
Saya suka kamu.
Thank you.
Saya suka kamu.
We got it here. I'm sorry,
It's an
bro.
exclusive.
I love a
It's
girl.
exclusive. That's okay, you know. It's okay, don't worry.
It's okay.
I can turn anyone.
It can be a bromance. It's fine.
Can you say, Mark, any Indonesian bahasa?
Well, I just greet people saying apa kabar. I say salamat.
You say temper.
I say
Which is wrong.
tempeh. Say that
Apa
wrong.
kabar is how are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Christian?
Saya Sakakuma, whatever it was. What did you say?
Saya?
Say it again.
Saya suka kamu.
Saya suka kamu.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
He's always got a good, very
Saya
good
suka kamu.
pronunciation.
Yeah.
I think Paul is very great at bahasa.
I think nasi goreng. Wow. Literally the only thing I've learned.
That's so romantic.
It is very romantic.
You said you were romantic.
Nasi goreng tonight, darling.
Okay. You must say, pakai skincare Dr. Richard.
Pakai skincare Dr. Richard.
Hey, very
Good pronunciation, right?
And what does that mean?
You must use my skincare, Dr. Richard
There you
skincare.
go.
Ah,
Okay,
yeah,
we've just
skincare.
officially endorsed that.
There you
Okay,
go.
great.
Just cut the whole interview and that's all you need. Just me saying that. Keep popping it out on YouTube.
Okay.
Oh, how do we say happy birthday?
Selamat ulang tahun.
Salamat ulang tahun.
Thank you very much.
Really? That didn't sound anything like what you said. That didn't sound. That's what it sounded like.
It sounded right. One more time.
Selamat ulang tahun.
Ulang tahun.
Yeah.
Salamat ulang tahun.
Thank you very much.
That's much
To
better.
Richard Lee. Nice.
Paul, I want to ask you.
Yes.
You have a break at 2002 with A1.
I did,
and
yeah.
coming back again to
Oh,
A1.
yeah.
How does it feel to back again at 4?
It feels exactly the same. Yeah. It felt just. It didn't feel like there was a break at all. I went to meet the guys. They were doing a gig somewhere near where I lived, and we just all had dinner together, and everything was exactly the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how about you guys? You have a single or album with 3, and then back again with Paul. What do you feel?
Well, I think to go full circle, it's really important that we do complete an album with the 4 of us again, because we have actually released music as a 3, and we've had a very successful album with Waiting for Daylight. So we feel like to go full circle for our fans, it's very important to have an album with all 4 of us again. So I'm just really looking forward to having that. And I think honestly, once this album is finished, I think it's going to be one of the best albums that we've
It'd
ever
have to be a very good
had.
album to be as good as Waiting for Daylight.
Well,
That was good. Did you like Waiting for Daylight, the album?
I'm not hearing.
You didn't hear it?
Actually.
We need to go back and have a listen.
Outrageous.
It's incredible.
Yeah.
Same.
I listen it, but I'm not remember.
So you're saying it was crap?
Well, no, but you don't have the same nostalgic feelings.
Last
you don't
song
have this-
is Make It Good. All the album Make It Good.
Okay, yeah.
That's fine.
yeah.
When I'm
That's
missing
fine.
you,
Yeah,
I
that's
feel
good.
it.
That's-
But
Yeah,
there-
it's good,
I
yeah,
think
it's,
I think the thing with you have your nostalgic relationship to a band for a time of your life. Sometimes some people don't go beyond that catalogue. But I do think we'd really evolved as a band with Waiting for Daylight, both as performers and writers and producers. So what we were able to bring to that was probably the best body of work that we had produced at that point, up to that point. I mean, obviously there's still standout tracks that we did previously, but I think the next album, I can confidently say, I think will be the best collection of songs that we've put together since getting back together as a 4. There you
Okay,
go.
I can't wait for this.
Thank you.
So I want to ask that you have a lot of songs. I wonder that which song that you like in all your songs, and what does it mean for you? Each of you.
We probably all have different. Yeah, all have different.
I think for me, personally, some songs are better than others, but I really like Make It Through the Night.
Aw.
There's a song called Make It Through the Night that was on the
It's
Make...
a new song.
Make It Good
It was on Make It Good.
Very a Beatley song.
And we all just sat around the piano and wrote it. I think Mark has some sort of idea, like a Beatlesque kind of thing. And we just wrote it.
I know it.
Everything's
Yeah,
fine.
I like that song.
We're
That's my
gonna
favourite
make
A1
it
song.
That's your
tonight.
favorite
That's
song.
my favourite A1
What does
song.
it mean for you?
It's just that remembering writing, because it's not for people listening, you're just hearing the song.
Yeah.
But for me, I remember writing the song, you know, with these guys around the piano where we were all just chipping in and trying to work out how the song should go and how it should end. That was nice. Good memories of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about you, Christian? What's your favorite song? A1 song.
It's hard to pick one song, but like personally, I think "Learn to Fly" is one of my favorites. Yes,
That's
good.
mine.
That's yours as well.
Yeah.
Amazing. Well, that's to me. It was like some songs you do write because of your own experiences, and that's one that I was kind of trying to write to lift myself through a difficult time. You know, trying to convince myself that if I just get through this, it'll be better. And it's also one of my favorites because it was picked up by someone else. There's an Australian artist called Shannon Knoll who had a big hit with the song, a cover of our version. And
That was number 1.
it was number 1, yeah. And also,
An idol from Australian, yeah. Right.
and yes, and then I even got some letters from people who, you know, felt that song meant a lot to them in a certain period of their lives. And I think that's the biggest compliment we can get as artists and as songwriters in particular, is if our music means something in people's lives. You know, it's made a difference.
Yeah,
So,
it's really means for me.
Yeah.
and that's
It's
great to hear.
going down Very good.
Oh,
Thank you.
How about you, Mark?
it's impossible to pick a favourite. I have a different relationship to all the different songs for different reasons. But an interesting one would be my relationship with the song "Make It Good," because when Christian and I wrote that song together, we were on a fantastic writing camp, on the same camp that Ben and Paul wrote "A Caught in the Middle," and that song, just "Make It Good," just haunted me because it would not leave my brain. The song kept me up all night, just hearing the down, 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 down. There was something about that song that I think we all got very excited about it because it was so different and such a departure from anything else we had done. Interestingly, it was probably one step too far because the sound of the song is something that I really love. It's that kind of like slightly 60s inspired hippie kind of bohemian. How do you explain like the Make It Good? We originally had like a sitar intro, so it was much more of a kind of like an Indian vibe to it. So it was just very
retro
very
hippie
very
pop.
retro
Yeah.
hippie pop. Now the thing is coming from Ready or Not, Every Time, Like a Rose. But maybe our fans did not want retro hippie pop. Funny enough.
They didn't.
So I think it's very interesting to retrospectively look back on what makes a song work and what makes a song not necessarily work. And I still love that song, but I do think it was perhaps one step too far for our fans to come on that journey with us.
I remember when the moment the head of our record company back then, the head of Sony or Columbia Records, came in, and he'd heard that I'd hired a sitar, because I guess I was George Harrison influenced or whatever, and he was like, "You can't have a hit with a sitar in the year 2000 or something like that." So I had to change it for just the electric guitar.
That ruined it for me.
I think that ruined it. I think we didn't take it far enough. Because if we had done the sitar, who knows? Maybe it would have worked.
Yeah. It's interesting.
Yeah.
The last one. I thought you're the romantic guy, but I disappointed.
I know, sorry, disappointing. I think it's a song called Celebrate Our Love.
Celebrate Our
It's
Love.
such a good song. No, I actually hate that song.
That's hard. Do you know what, right? It's actually just the production that made it sound really cheesy.
No.
But the actual song, if you broke the song down,
I know
it's a
that
good
song.
pop
It's a top to bottom.
If Lionel Richie had produced it, it would be looked at like a Cool and the Gang celebration or All Night Long.
They didn't.
But as it was dressed up, it was very cheesy.
It's a bad song, bad
But
song.
it doesn't mean it's a bad song.
It was a bad song.
It's not a bad song.
But my favourites are probably, it's like a tie between Caught in the Middle and Like a Rose.
Okay.
And I think mainly because I think those are our biggest songs, so they've opened so many doors for us to, just continue doing what we're doing. I mean, we're 26 years into being 26 years old, all of us. They were like, we've been doing this now for 26 years, and it's songs like that broke markets in a big way that allow us to still do or still be a band performing for people 26 years later. I think that's crazy. So yeah, I think those songs, just for the power that they gave us.
Okay. Just one.
And yours?
Just one.
Just one. Like a Rose or Caught in the Middle.
Like a
Just
Rose.
one.
Oh, I Like a Rose. Go on then.
Okay.
Like a Rose.
And how about you?
I like
Learn to Fly.
Learn to Fly. I love Tomorrow. Tomorrow, I love it. Tomorrow. Forever in Love, because the lyric is very bucin.
Yeah.
And Gombal.
And Gombal. I'm forever in love with you.
Again, it's so simple. Sometimes the simplest sentiments actually really connect with people.
Yeah, and Heaven by Your Side.
That's a good
love
one.
Heaven
That's a
by
good one. Well, there you go. We all have different favourites. So
yeah.
it's going to be an amazing concert tonight. It's going to be full of hits.
Okay, at last, I have a game for you.
Okay.
How much you know A1?
Oh,
Oh, wow.
I think
Not.
this is a quiz.
I think
So
you'll win.
Cool.
Okay.
you might win.
each of you will present individually, and the winner will get a present from me.
Oh,
wow.
Okay,
Wow.
let's do it. I'm gonna win
wanna
this.
win.
I'm gonna
Okay,
win.
I want to answer. I want to ask you a question about A1.
Yes.
And if you know the answer,
Yes.
you guys raise your hand first. Don't
Okay.
okay.
answer it. Okay. And I'll
This
pick.
time.
Help me, please. Okay. Okay. This is the several question for A1. Okay. The first one.
Yes.
Your first album is named Here We Come. No. Wait.
Oh, you're such a cheater.
I know that one.
Cheating.
Your first album is named Here We Come. When was the album released in UK? Okay, maybe Paul here.
Do we need a month as well?
A date, month, and years?
No idea. No idea. No, I'm not even sure about the year. I thought it was 1999.
It's 1999.
Okay. Anyone?
It's June 1999.
Okay, Paul?
June 1999.
No.
I think it was June year 2000.
No.
It's
I think it was more. I think it was
It's the
more
album.
October.
I think
The album.
December.
Really?
December. No, I'd say.
No.
The
I'm
single
going to
was
go for the 10th
November, yes.
10th of September.
November, yes.
November the 21st.
22, November.
Was it? That's my birthday.
Yeah, yeah?
Yeah, it is. I should have known that. That's the best birthday
There
present
you go
ever.
then. Ben's
Wikipedia.
You're one up.
Now, I win. Do I win because
Well,
it's my birthday?
you can't believe everything you read.
no
on.
points.
Zero
No
point. Oh.
0 points.
And I think we should make it. If
Okay.
you raise your hand and you get it wrong, you,
You
get
can't
minus
answer
points.
again. No, if you raise your hand, you can't answer again.
No, that's true. Yeah. Well, yeah.
One answer each.
We need a question. Yeah, we
Okay,
need
sorry.
some rules
Let's
here.
question.
We're getting some
Okay,
new
next
rules.
question. This is your very good song. This is Like a Rose. It's very popular song. Raise your hand first, okay? Who wrote the song of Like a Rose? Perfectly. Okay, Ben.
It was me.
Yeah.
Was it only you?
We still have two other names.
Ben Adams.
Okay, but Sadam is you, right?
Yeah.
And we have still two names.
Oh, is it Mark Reed and Paul Moretzi?
Is it? No, it's Ben Adams, and Ben Adams. Isn't it? I don't remember writing that with anyone.
We did write it as the
Yeah.
three.
Yeah, but I don't think it went down as a three.
No.
Yeah, well, I
Yeah.
don't know what happened there. That's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
But
isn't it?
it's word like Steve Rock and Wayne Hector.
No, they produced it.
Oh.
They didn't write. So actually, you get a minus.
You
for that.
write it by
Did
yourself.
they? Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, these guys
Very
did some of it,
Bujin
yeah.
and very
You better get him a
Gombal.
better present.
Well,
It
there you go.
was a trick question.
I need a big present now because you're one down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 100 point for Ben, right?
Where does it say that it was co-written by Steve Mack and Wayne Hector?
Wikipedia.
There you go.
you can't
Just
just
goes to show
If
you can't believe.
If I saw at your album, I see it only Ben.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what? That was us pandering to Ben, really. We'd just say, let's say Ben wrote it all on his own, because he mostly did. Of course, he mostly did. But we did still contribute to it, because it was very personal, very special to
When
Ben.
he was stuck on the best bits, he was like, what do I write here? Well, like, just write this.
So yeah,
Then the song will begin.
So there was still collaboration,
But also, don't trust what Wikipedia
No.
says.
Yeah, but
If you went on Wikipedia and put
Ben
my
wrote
name in-
Like a Rose officially, but they were just producers.
Fakepedia.
Yeah,
No, but Wikipedia
Wikipedia.
is always wrong. It's
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
never-
interesting.
The third question. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Still Like a Rose.
Okay.
Yes.
When was Like a Rose first released?
21st of February 1999.
No,
No.
21st of it was the 14th of February.
But it was moved.
2000.
No, but it was moved back.
Sorry, repeat it again.
It wasn't
2000.
Not 2000.
Date.
Was it?
2000, yeah.
It was,
The date-
it was
wasn't
supposed to be the
released on
Valentine's
Valentine's
Day.
Day.
Sorry.
It was supposed to be released on the Valentine's Day.
But it was pushed back.
It was pushed back.
Pushed back a week. Yes, it
So the
wasn't released on
21st of
Valentine's
February.
Day.
Ben?
It was the 21st of February.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, thank you
I
so
just
much.
said that.
Very nice.
Doesn't count.
I can
It's
tell you
on
now.
camera. I said it
you
first.
Said 14th. You very clearly said 14th.
Yes. None of us got it right, to be honest.
Guys.
Say that.
It was supposed to be the 14th of February. It made sense. It was the most perfect Valentine's release ever. But the label moved it back a week.
So Mark
which
got
possibly affected
the
its chart.
date right. I got the year
But
right.
I got both.
And then he just copied us and said, yeah.
So raise your hand first.
Yeah,
okay?
just do it.
So I got the point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm 2 up.
Okay,
2 up.
this question for Learn to Fly.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
This,
Okay.
This
You
is-
best
is
answer
really
this
fun.
one then.
Yeah.
Who is the writer of Learn to Fly?
Steve Mack and Wayne Hector.
Rick Slick.
Well, I'm one of the writers.
Yeah.
Yes.
You, Christian.
And there's Chris Porter.
Chris Porter, yeah?
Yes.
Rick
And
Slick.
Well,
Is Slick Rick on it?
there was a guy called Pete Gordino.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's good. The only one is?
And then Rick Mitra.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
100 point.
Thank you, yeah. Because that's an idea that I had this idea for such a long time, but I was stuck on it.
Okay.
And I was in a session with those guys. And I'm really glad because they got the final 25% of the song in like 10 minutes. Like, boom, boom, boom. I was like, oh, well, there it is.
There you go.
And it was, because I was stuck for a year on that song.
Okay.
And sometimes it's good to bring it to someone else to get a new perspective.
Okay, thank you. So Paul, you still have 0 point and Mark still have 0 point. Okay, the round 2 is the question is for each of you. If I say your name,
Yes.
you must not answer this question.
Never gonna answer.
Let your friend answer this question. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this is the only 4 question. This is for Ben Adam.
Right.
Okay, you must not
I must
answer this.
not answer this.
Okay.
It's hard because I know them all so well.
So, what is the full name of Ben Adam? Okay, Christian.
Benjamin Stevens Adams.
No.
But now it's Benjamin Scholness Adams.
No.
Benjamin,
Is it right?
Benjamin Daniel Stevens Adams.
No, not Daniel.
I just want to.
Benjamin.
Sorry?
What do you think?
Well, there was another name that you don't use, isn't it? Ben. I mean, I will go with Benjamin Stevens Adams, but there was another name, but that was you took out, but I can't remember what that is.
Benjamin Hector.
No, there was another name that I don't think people would guess.
Is there a Benjamin Daniel?
No, that's my middle name.
That's Mark Daniel.
Oh yeah, yours Daniel, isn't it?
What do you think it is?
What's the full name?
Edward.
Yeah, right?
What
Is it right?
have you got?
No.
You know?
Did you get this from Wikipedia again?
Yeah.
Never read
What's his
Wikipedia.
name? What does it on there? What does it
What does
say?
it say on Wikipedia?
Benjamin Edward Stephen Adams.
What was that one in the middle?
Who?
Edward.
Edward.
But I tell you what,
Edward?
This is my name used to be Benjamin Anthony Edward
Edward
Stevens.
Okay.
So that's kind of correct.
Yeah.
But then I changed it because of other reasons. But Benjamin Stevens Adams.
Okay.
Then I changed it again to Benjamin Scholness Adams, and that's what it is today.
There you
But
go.
Wikipedia won't
And you
tell
got rid of the Stevens.
It's gone. Yeah.
It's Scholness now.
I don't know his name.
Yes,
I
that's
don't know
my
my
wife's
friend's
name. So we did like a double barrel.
Who said Jonas?
I did.
Okay.
Christian
Yes.
actually.
Okay, 200
go.
point.
Hey!
Christian.
200.
winning.
That's amazing.
And
these
the second
points.
one is for Mark. Okay.
Not for you. Don't answer.
It's way good name.
It's very hard question.
Can I tell you something? Do you know somebody? I got scammed on Wikipedia. And somebody said, if you don't pay, we're going to take your profile off of Wikipedia. So I wouldn't pay. And there's some hacker has taken my profile off of
It's probably
Wikipedia.
better than wrong information.
Yeah, I guess it is. But I would have had to have paid £400 to £500 to keep my profile on Wikipedia. And I was like,
Do you want to be the love
I don't
child of
care
Steve
about-
Mack and
I don't
Wayne Hector
care
for the rest
about
of your
being on
life?
Wikipedia. But it just goes to show that the whole thing is very corrupt.
Hector Hackett.
But anyway, your question. Sorry, Richard.
Okay.
Yes.
Mark, when was Mark born?
Oh.
When?
Okay, Christian, you know all
Well,
your
I'm
friends.
gonna say it's November. Yes.
Right.
It's the I gotta get this right. Is it the 7th of November?
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Is it?
Oh, we don't need to say the year.
Oh, we do. We
No.
don't need to say
the
no. We
year.
have to.
Anyway, next one. Well done.
Points.
You got
I'd say
1980.
1981.
88.
Oh, good. It's correct, right?
No, hang on.
take that.
I now have to say what it is because that's wrong.
No. Sometimes Wikipedia is right. So,
It depends.
It's 83.
It is November the 7th,
Yeah.
1979.
Yes.
it's not.
79.
Miss one.
It's 78.
78.
78.
So none of us got it
That
right.
was the closest.
Neither of them can get the point.
I got the right date.
I think, yeah,
It's
Chris,
78.
Chris, you get the point.
1978.
78.
The same year that Greece
Yeah.
came out.
So 1978 was it?
So you're not
Okay, each of you have 100 points.
together. We have
78.
We got it right.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is for Christian.
So I can't.
Where was the Christian born?
The Christian. Where were you born, the Chris?
I was born.
Were you born where you lived?
Where?
At hospital?
I'm assuming
Sigrid country?
Sigrid in
Norway.
Norway.
Sigrid Hospital in Norway.
Well,
No.
you.
Is it Steve McWayne Hector?
Norway, yes.
The Wayne Hector
I was delivered
Memorial
by Steve
Hospital.
Mac. Wayne Hector.
Oslo in Norway, is that right?
Oslo.
Well, I was going to
Oslo,
say
yeah.
you would have probably
okay.
been Oslo Hospital.
So
There's no
I was gonna
hospitals
say,
in Sigrid. It's such a small place.
Yeah, in Ski and like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
I was
man,
gonna
you
say
get
Oslo.
100 points. And the last one. This
I
is
hope
the
Wayne Hector
hardest,
doesn't see this.
the hardest
hardest
question.
question.
Yeah,
This is
hard
for
question.
Paul.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ah,
good
Oh,
luck.
Paul,
do it.
Yeah.
you cannot answer this.
I've not answered any of them.
Okay. What was Paul's age when Here We Come was released? Use your mathematics.
Oh, Paul's age when we released Here We Come.
Be 50?
To 23.
About 40.
No.
22.
24.
24, right.
24. There you
Another,
go.
do you get that?
Yeah,
Another
1999. I must have been 24. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. My maths is fantastic.
There you go.
I reckon. So clever.
I reckon we have a winner, don't we? Yeah.
I think we got a winner.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Have a
having
nice day with you.
Where's my present?
Oh, yeah.
We need
This is
the
my
prize.
present. I won.
Where's the prize?
Well, it was all official. It was all official and everything. Look.
His present.
Oh, look, that was the
Okay.
push over. Yeah, there you go.
No, just one for
You got no prize.
Okay, man, this is
What have I got? What have I got?
Wow.
just for my skincare.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Oh man.
So you can
amazing.
have a beautiful
I'm a
face.
bit worried I'm going to be
can
too
improve your
beautiful.
beauty.
Oh, yeah.
It's hard for me to get more beautiful, but you think I can?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try it. Thank you so much.
Thank
Oh,
you
that's
very
lovely.
much. So
Wow.
I have
Lovely. Well done.
the other
I
one
couldn't
for
let
you.
you down.
Today's sponsor.
Actually, these guys really need it.
I
Okay,
do
this is
actually.
for Christian, and sorry for the other.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank
So this
you.
is for you, mine, and this is for your wife. Okay.
Thank you.
You don't have
She
wife,
needs
right?
it more than I do.
You don't like? Okay, take it.
It's for the wife. No, we
Is this
need
for my
all the help
wife?
we can get these days. That's
is great.
That's fantastic.
This is
Thank you.
great.
I think
This is the
Fantastic,
very
thank you.
expensive skincare in Indonesia.
goddesskin. Oh, this is for women. Goddesskin. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. She'll love this.
This is very expensive
men-
in
can
Indonesia.
men
Love
use
that,
it?
dude.
Huh?
Can men use it
Yeah.
as well? Yeah.
With
If you
white,
use
white
it-
tomato.
You will
No, you
back
won't
to
give it to your wife. It's called.
20.
There you go. I've never.
It's
Sorry.
called.
If you use it, you will back to
20.
It's called goddesskin. It's
Yes.
for women.
Well,
Yeah.
it's the modern day of age. You know, like
You can be what you want.
Okay, now he's part of the movement.
it's how you identify. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
I
Thing.
hope you will sing a song for me with a cake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Can we do one more try?
We're doing happy. No, I think happy birthday.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dr. Richard Lee. Happy birthday to you.
And many more. Hey!
There you go.
Thank you very much.
We can edit that.
Thank
We'll
you very
edit
much.
it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, dude.
Thank you very much.